Imagine a field full of brown cows. They are all very similar, right? Nothing special to really see. Now, what if one cow was bright purple? Wow! That would be amazing. You'd definitely notice it, wouldn't you? Many companies are like brown cows. They try to sell things the old way. Lots of ads, but no real excitement. Today, there are too many messages. Our brains just ignore most ads. We tune out the boring stuff. A purple cow means being remarkable. It's something worth noticing and talking about. It truly stands out from the crowd. Being safe and ordinary is risky. No one notices things that are average. You disappear in all the noise. To be remarkable, create something new. Think differently, challenge old ideas. Make your product truly unique. The purple cow is built into the product. It's not just fancy advertisements. The product itself is the amazing part. Show your purple cow to curious friends. These early adopters love new things. They will tell everyone about it. People love sharing awesome discoveries. Word of mouth is the best kind of marketing. Your remarkable idea spreads like wildfire. Even purple cows can become common. So, keep inventing new remarkable ideas. Always strive to be different and better. Don't be afraid to stand out. Be brave, be creative, be bold. Find your own amazing purple cow.